Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun unboxing from Fragrant Jewels. This is a box of their not so perfect bath bombs. If you watched my video, it was a couple Fragrant Jewels videos ago, I told you about if you call the customer service and you ask to order some of their not so perfect bath bombs, what they are bath bombs that are either slightly damaged or maybe they're old and they don't sell them anymore. You can buy them for $8.95 and they still include the ring and all that fun stuff. So I ordered 6 of them because that way I could get free shipping. You don't know what you're getting. They just hopefully fill it with different ones for you. So I haven't looked in here yet. I do see some bath bomb particles, so that's promising. We're going to take a look. Hopefully there's stuff in here that I haven't ordered before, but we'll see. They also have a mystery candle offer. That one's $19.95 and that one's not damaged or anything. It's just a mystery candle. They said it could be something that hasn't came out yet, or it could be like one of the old ones, like the passport ones that they no longer sell. So I didn't order that because $19.95 is kind of expensive just for it to be a mystery in my opinion, but if you guys are interested, maybe I would order some of those. So I'm going to start with over here. Looks like these are some of the new ones. I'm bummed because this is actually one I was getting ready to do a reveal on. I haven't done it yet, but now I got 2 of them, so maybe I'll do a double reveal for that one. Maybe I'll just dump them both in the tub. This is English Garden. I think it smells like roses. Let me smell it. Yeah, it does. So there is a little bit broken up top, but not too damaged. And I'm sure a lot of this was done in the mail. A lot of the powder that's in here, just because as you can see they don't wrap them that well, so not always, at least sometimes they really do. This one is not labeled. This looks like the Summer Sunset, is that what it's called? There's a sunset one I did a reveal on, so I have done that one before. That's what it looks like. A little damaged. This one I have not done. This is the Queen of Diamonds. So I'll try to do a reveal on that one. It's not really too damaged, just a little bit off the side. We'll do that one. This one I just posted. It's Honey Lemon, and this one smells amazing. And I don't really understand why it didn't pass their quality check or whatever they do, because it's not broken, so not quite sure. Maybe they test it for like the position of the label, you know, sometimes they're really picky, so that could be it. Also have, it's like an ongoing joke on my channel that I hate my Birthstone. This is the May Bath Bomb, so there will be an emerald in it. And actually, you can see the ring right there. Should I pull it out? I don't know what you guys want me to do with these. I know you wanted to see a box of them, but do you want me to like throw them all in a tub and do a not so perfect ring reveal, like all of them? Or do you want to see them individually? Or I'm trying to decide what to do. The ring is right there. So this one definitely is damaged. And that's the same color powder that's in here. So again, that could have been damaged during the mail because they do not have this one on their website anymore. So let's see what the last one is. This says Fragrant Jewels Classic Collection. That's all it says on it, but it looks like the new wrapping kind of. Let me smell it. It kind of smells minty. I don't know which one this is, honestly. Huh. I wonder if this is, I don't know. Not sure. Classic Collection. So it would be one of the signature scents, I would think. Kind of reminds me of the white tea bath bomb. That's one of the original ones I did, but it wasn't in this packaging. Interesting. So who knows? And, oh, what's this? Unwind. Okay, so that's what it is. Mystery solved. There's the Unwind sticker. Unwind. I think I did do that one. I've been doing ring reveals for so many years, it's hard to keep up. Then the rest looks like all powder. I have had them stick random codes in the box before, so I always try to check for that. One time I had like 5 just laying on top of the box. I'm not quite sure why. So that's what I got. leave a comment below and let me know what you want me to do with these. Do you want me to throw them all in the tub at once, do some bath bomb art, and we could just do the ring reveals all at once? Would that be fun? Because most of these I have, pretty much all of these I've done reveals for, except for the Queen of Diamonds. Maybe I'll do that one separately, and then the rest of them I might throw all in the tub at once and we could do 5 ring reveals. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.